Hi, I'm Don, and this is the Hobbyist Geek. Welcome back, y'all. Today we're finishing issue 30 of our Ecto-1 build. We have stage 114 and all kinds of stuff. I see a license plate in there and everything. So let's get this out and let's see what we got. Okay, so here is what we have in stage 114. We have the left skirting, the right skirting, we got the rear bumper, we've got the rear license plate, and we've got an indicator stock, which I find a little odd because we got this from way back when. So is that a replacement indicator stock? I don't know. I guess we will find out. But let's go ahead and get into this build. All right, we're gonna kick things off with this, and it is indeed a replacement indicator stock for this. So this one's gonna come out and basically go away. This one's gonna come in, and it fits nice and neat. And this is gonna go onto the stock here for the driver. Look at that. Okay. That looks gorgeous. And then we're gonna take the steering wheel here. I'm gonna throw that in, finally. It is keyed. Of course, there we go. And right through the center, we're gonna put a DM screw. All right. Yeah, the tires are turning, kinda. Turns a lot easier when it's not on the ground, but they do turn. This still seems a little loose, so I will go ahead and try to tighten it up just a little bit. That's better. And then we take the cap that we received from way back when. We're gonna pop that puppy in there. And that just really just kind of sits on there. It doesn't clip or anything. No glue, no nothing. Just press it in. And it's very, very loose. I don't like that. Yeah, I don't like that at all, how loose that is. That may end up having to get glued in because that is just way too loose, doesn't clip in, see, falls right out. I'm not particularly happy with that. But it'll have to do for now. And that takes care of that. And we can move on to the next bit. All right, for this next segment, basically we're gonna take the trim here and we're gonna push it in. There are four screw bases, and there are 4 holes for them to fit. Now, on the driver's side, you've got this cabling for the interior lights here. Make sure that it's not covering any of the screw holes and that it comes through this little slot right here. So get that all nice and neat. And then you just line up your trim, push it into place. There we go. Just like that. And we're going to use 3 VP screws, here, here, and here, and 1 AP screw up in the front to hold it in place, and then we're going to repeat that for the other side. All right, and there we go. I'm going to go a little freehand here. You can take a look. Look how pretty that trim is. It is gorgeous, and it's on both sides. It's awesome. All right, moving on. All right, next up, we're going to be putting up the rear bumper here with the license plate. Now, the way this is supposed to work is you throw it in like this, and then you flip it around and you throw a couple of BM screws in there. And there we go, looking pretty. Now, we're going to throw this thing onto the back end here. Let's see. Okay, over here we've got 2 posts, and then we've got this center hole right here. That center hole goes right on that, and then of course the posts will have screw holes that go for these. So we're going to line this thing up as best we can. There we go, just like that. Now we're going to use an IM screw here and 2 JP screws for the sides. All right, there we go. Look at that, sitting pretty. And on the back side, looks just like this. That looks gorgeous. All right, let's get this thing flipped over and we'll look at the end product. All right, a little freehand here for the finale. Coming on down, we've got, it's hard to see because it's such a nice mirror finish there, but that is the trim that we installed. Absolutely gorgeous. And we come around here, look at that bumper. Look at that rear bumper. Look how mirror finish this is. I mean, you can even see, look at that, wee, wee, wee. Nice little mirror. And of course the matching license plate, and on this side we have the trim there as well. This piece is coming along beautifully. I can't wait to see what comes next. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Have a great day.